Hi, if you're looking to update the product information on your WooCommerce website, let's get started. From the shirts and tops categories, let's click on this black top here, and you can see it's showing the name, price, some sizes, add to cart button, additional attributes, and these size attributes over here, each size has its own SKU, and then there's the product images. Let's go to the back end and look at the products page where all the products are listed with their SKUs and categories, etc. Speaking of categories, let's just go ahead and take a look at the categories quickly. This is where all the categories and subcategories for your products are. Let's edit a subcategory and you can see that we can actually change the parent category to whatever we want. Also, we have attributes associated with products like brand, color, sizes, which are defined over here, and we'll just look at them in a bit. Let's go back to the products page and look at the black top. We can change the title, the slug, description, categories over here. Each product can have multiple categories. We can also change the main image and the additional images associated. The price can be set for the product over here, just like this, and we can put it on sale for 8,000. The inventory section has SKU. There's the attributes that we saw on the front end for the sizes, the 4 sizes. Now you can notice that this is actually a single product. If we want to have different variations, so it has different SKUs and pricing, we can make this a variable product, in which case we have a parent SKU, and then the attributes, we can decide which attributes to use to create a variation. In this case, we're not going to create a variation for brand, but we will use for size. And as you can see, we have created 4 variations based on the 4 size options we had, and now we can go ahead and set individual prices for each variation and also individual SKUs. As an example, let's go ahead and set a sale price on the large size of this black top. We're going to make it 2,000, and then we're going to go ahead, save changes, and then update the product. Once we go to the front end, now we'll notice that the extra large and medium has the same price, the original $22.90. However, when we go to the large, here you go, we have a different price and it is associated with a separate SKU. And now let's talk about orders in WooCommerce. Whenever a customer buys anything from your store, it will land in the orders page in the back end. You can click on an order and it will show you all the information associated with it. Most importantly, in the order status, which shows whether it's processing, completed, or in pending payment status. You can also add notes, which can be for your team or for the customer as well. You can also see the order information, which item they purchased, how much it was, and also send the customer a copy of this information as an email notification. Speaking of email notifications, you can set those in the setting where you can also set the currency. And if you look on the top tabs, there's a tab for emails. Clicking on that will take you to the place where you can decide where to send your notifications and what to say in them. There's also the shipping options and the payment options where you can enable or disable your different payment methods. Most marketing teams like creating sales funnels using tools like cart flows, which also make it easy for you to customize your checkout and thank you page at the very least. WooCommerce by default doesn't come with very many customization options that are easy anyways. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you have any questions, just let me know.